This video we solve the system of linear equations in two variables and three variables. So first we will solve the system of linear equations in two variables. So click on mode option, select equation button 5, two variables equation. Option 1, enter the values of x and y coefficients in both first equation and second equation. So first equation, x has coefficient 2, y has 3, constant value is 12. In second equation, x has one coefficient, y has -1 as coefficient, constant value is 1. Press equal to. After solving the equation, we will get x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Now we will solve the linear equations in three variables. Same process. Click mode option, select equation 5, linear equations in three variables. So select option 2, enter the coefficients of x, y, z in both three equations. First one is 3, 2, -1, 5, 3, 2, -1, 5. Second equation has 1, -1, 2, 4. 1, -1, 2, 4. Third equation 2, 1, 1, 6. 2, 1, 1, 6. So after solving the equation, we will get x is equal to 3 by 2, y is equal to 7 by 6, z is equal to 11 by 6.